surprisingly enough, putting in light bulbs in a 2013 Escape isn't too bad. So this is just a standard low beam. So on each side of the car, I'll show you how to do both. You're going to see your light assembly in the rear here. This first one is going to be your blinkers. The second one is going to be your high beam, and then there's going to be a third one, a flap, rubber flap. That's going to be your running lights. So this is the same style on each side. So all you got to do, see these little rubber flaps here? You're going to pull it out like that, and then right inside is your light. So you want to turn it, grab hold of the assembly, turn it counterclockwise, because lefty loosey, righty tighty. Pull it out. See, and there you go. There's your light. And all you got to do is pull this flap up a little bit, just enough for it to slide out. Don't yank on this little flap or you will break it. It's just plastic. So you just want to lift it up just enough to pull the light out. See, I even just did it one-handed. It's not too bad. So I guess that's the burnt light. All right, so you're going to want to get your new light then. So we have a new light here, new fresh pair of gloves. Make sure you try as little as possible to touch the actual bulb itself with your hands or fingers, because the oils on your hands can create a hot spot on the light and then it won't last too long for you. So the next step is just pop the light back on carefully. So we got this. So on the back end of the light here, see this little tab? You want that tab to match up with the tab you pulled off earlier for the light. See? And it should hook right back on. Let's get a closer look. Hooks right back on there. So now right in the assembly, see right in there is the light assembly, and all you want to do is put her back in. So look on this light here. See how this bottom flange is larger? You want to if you can see in there, one of these is flanges are a lot larger than the others. So you just match it up. Wait. So one of these flanges is larger than the others. You just want to match that up, push it in, and turn it clockwise, so righty-tighty, and it'll just click. Don't over stress it because it is just a plastic light. It can break. So all you just want to do is once it clicks, you're good. Put the rubber boot on, and it's done. That's how you do a light bulb change.